Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll discuss what happened on expiry day, Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. First we'll discuss about Nifty Bank. You see itself it is in the range market. Day before yesterday, you can see some support and resistance here. The support line. We thought like market is to give the closing in 15 minutes time frame. The candle should be giving closing below this support line. Then you can go for short selling. Or else we'll keep on checking whether the market is going for buying or selling until unless it is in this range market. This is against the support. So the market has opened and you see the market rejection happened on the support line. So market again touched on the support line. So itself the market is in keep on siding the like it is like in the flat market after at 10 p.m. 10 a.m. the market has came down, broke this support level, came down, and again the market is trying to touch this support level. We can say this is like the market is taking some pullback. Already it broke this support level and again came down. So itself we can see the market has still some selling pressure. Still selling pressure is there. Okay. Until unless the market is breaking this level, not go for buying. Until unless the market is breaking this level, will not go for selling. Okay. There are three types we will be checking what the market is open. That is gap up, gap down, and the flat. Okay. Itself we can see if the gap is if the market is taking some gap up, the market might be here itself in the range market. The market here itself might be in the range market. Okay. Until unless the market is breaking this resistance level, we cannot go for buying. Okay. Until unless the market is breaking this level, we cannot go for selling. This is the range, big range. This range is around this around 500, around 600. So this is the range we are having now in Bank Nifty. So we have to wait until unless the market is breaking this resistance level. We'll, we will be in the range market. The market is breaking this range resistance level, we'll go for buying. The market is breaking this support level, we'll go for selling. Okay. Next, we'll discuss about Nifty 50. The Nifty 50 is happened from morning itself. The market is coming down. There is no flat market in the morning. See the rejection happened in the morning, and I'll zoom this. See this rejection happened in the morning. Itself shows the market have huge selling pressure. Okay, and from there up to 10:30, the market has came down short selling. Again after that, Bank Nifty also it is like that only. So it is Nifty 50. It is also like this in the flat market. Slowly it is trying to come up, but again it came. It gave at the in the closing time. It gave some short selling pressure also. We can say short selling pressure is still there. Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. Here itself we can draw this line. Okay. This is a strong resistance line. If it is breaking this level, we'll go for selling. We'll go for buying. Until unless it is breaking this level, will not plan for selling. The market is in this range. Will not plan for buying and selling. Okay, until unless the market is in this range, don't plan for anything. And we'll see some strong EMI lines in Bank Nifty and Nifty 50, but helpful in future times. Okay, you see 200 EMI line itself shows near to the resistance line. You see the market itself, we break this level, we might have chance to go buying in Nifty. Bank Nifty. It is above the resistance line. Okay, it is above the resistance line. We are planning to here only. If it is breaking this one also, okay, no problem. Until if we are getting the target here only, when the break this level, we will be getting some target. Okay, in Bank Nifty. From my point of view, market we have to see in 100 time frame also, because 100 time frame you can see the market, we can see for strong range. Okay, long range for here itself also you can go for 200 ml. The 200 ml far bigger, more problem. And we go with RSI, the indicator which I see in buying and selling. RSI, relative strength index. Okay, see from here on 20th 28th October, the market has fallen some huge, okay, around 1300 points. Now the market is coming down from there. You see the RSI also came down, broke this 60. In RSI, I am taking this as 14, and this is a 30, this 60, and the 40. Okay, the market has broke this. I came this up to this T. This is a strong resistance line. We already draw this line perfectly. This line, so they reacted as support level. You see, touched this line and again taken some pullback and again came to this resistance. This is the support level for them. Okay, came to support level. Again, it broke this support level. Also came this level. Okay, broke this level. The selling pressure is huge. Okay. Here itself, you can see the RSI how much the level of the selling pressure is from here. Market is coming down, down, down until if this breaks, we'll go again for selling. Okay, we'll go for again for selling. Maybe until unless it might come to 200 EMA line also. Cannot plan for that much. Around nearly around 2000 to 3000 point we plan. We not plan for that. But we can see the whole point of view whether the Nifty bank is coming up or not. Like whether the Nifty bank is having the bullish trend or the bearish trend. Now you can see perfectly the bearish trend is there in the chart, okay, and the RSI also is having act like that only. So we can say perfectly in Nifty bank there is a no bullish trend, no having any bearish trend like this one. 1 day time frame you saw this is having the bearish trend. Go with 10 minutes time frame. Nifty bank, see here itself also the market is coming up. You see here you can see some bullish trend, means buying trend. You can see the market is in the range market, but the RSI is building up. The RSI is building up. You have to wait until unless the market is breaking this level to go for buying. Until unless the market is breaking this one, this level means breaking means in sense you have to see a closing candle in 15 minutes time frame above this line. You have to see a 15 minutes candle closing below this line. Then only you can plan for buying, or here itself you can plan for selling. Okay, perfect. And we'll go for bank Nifty 50. Here itself also we have to see any closing here. You have to see buying closing here in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, here itself you have to see 15 minutes candle. You have to see closing below the support level so that you can plan for selling. My way you can go with sell buying only. See the market is here itself also, it is building up. RSI is going, but the market is still here. in Nifty 50. So we have to see whether the market, if the market is taking some gap up, the market is taking some gap up, have to plan for upside. Market is going and breaking this level, maybe sometimes it might touch and it come back. Have to wait until unless the closing happens. 15 minutes time. Okay. I will discuss some stocks I taken. Okay. Discuss some stocks helpful for you in bank in debt. From my analysis, helpful. Again, this is in 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame, and I am taking 200 EMLN. See, it is near to 200 EMLN until unless the market is in closing above this 1043 1043. Okay, giving closing above this level, cannot plan for buying. Okay, closing should happen above this level, then only you can plan for buying. The market from Monday, it is, this is your target until unless this is the broking, this one closing happens above this one, you can plan for buying, and you can act this as swing trade also, might be your swing trade also. This is the broking, this one act as swing trade, and this gap also will be closing, the market might go up to this. The 200 EMLN in 1 day time frame, perfect EMLN will create some perfect. Okay, the market is touching this 200 EMLN, it is reversing back. You can plan, and when you can plan for buying until unless it is breaking this level, giving some closing above this line, this resistance line, then only you can plan for buying. Okay, you will see with 1 day time frame also, minutes time frame, strong resistance, not target. Touching this line, taken a support and taken pullback. Again, it broke this support level. Again, making this as resistance. Again, it is trying to take resistance, touching multiple times. Again, it came back. So this is a support level. Broke this level until unless it is breaking this level. Then also in 15 minutes time frame also you can see that resistance line helpful here also. Okay, until unless it breaking this level, you can see the 200 EMA line in 15 minutes time frame also is having the perfect line. Okay, until the market is slowly coming back, this EMA line will come, is breaking this EMA line, you can perfectly plan for buying purpose. Okay, and again we'll go with SBI. SBI itself, it is coming up. 1 second, I will go with the indices. You'll see the RSI one also, how the strength is there. RSI. Under time frame. The RSI itself is came down, again is trying to build up. In previous days, you see the market didn't broke this 60 level. Okay, the market didn't broke this 60 level, and again is trying to break this level, but it's not happening. Okay, market is slowly is came down. See here itself, the market has created some flat market only. After that, the market has slowly came down. Now it is creating some flat market here. When market happening some flat market, you can expect either uptrend or either downtrend. You have to wait for anything. You have to wait. After this only it will happen. Not like this is happening, this downtrend again it will won't happen for uptrend. It will happen. It will take some time. You can see the time, in that time what happens. Market is slowly building up. You see market is not happening here, but a buyer strength is building up. You see market is second came up, trying to break this one, until unless market is breaking this 60 and the market is breaking this level, not plan for buying in IndusInd Bank. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll check in 1 day time frame. Far more problem, but see the in SBA, the market has came to this level and taking some swing. It is trying to take some swing. So you can plan up to here. On this level you can plan. Till unless this level is broken, here itself market is not breaking this 100 EMLN in 15 minutes time frame. So we will be planning our buying above this one. So this is a strong line. Okay, we draw correct one. Taking the support line, and we've taken from pullback, and again this broke this level and taking this as resistance. Now it is trying to break this resistance, but that didn't happen. Okay. Until unless market is giving closing above this 200 EMA line, cannot plan for buying. Okay. Uh, Here itself you can plan for selling until unless this is the strong resistance line, strong support level. Okay, until unless broke this level, cannot plan for sell. Okay, in the sense need to see in 15 minutes candle closing above this line, closing below this line. Then only you can plan for buying or selling. Okay, and we'll go with RSI also once we, because why I'm checking this RSI means it will helpful to see the whether the buying strength is there or selling strength is there, that the buying strength is completing or strength is complete. Okay, time frame and will come. RSI is now coming down. The market is also coming down, but is taking some pullback until unless the market is coming this below this 40, below this 40 line. We cannot plan for huge movement until unless it is planning below. Okay, you can say market taken some pullback, again it might come down below this level. It is coming, the market selling is happening means market also will come down. So we'll try to take some selling until this level. Okay, until unless this 503. Okay, 503 is closing, will not plan for. Okay, in 15 minutes time frame, whether it is morning time frame, it came down and is try to building up slow. The buyers are there. Here itself you can see try to take this, and it came back. Problem, it will come up until unless you see any closing candle above this 200 EMA line, not plan for buying. Have to see a 15 minutes candle should close for the 200 EMA line, you can plan for buying. Go with ICICI Bank, of my favorite stocks. 15 minutes time frame, trying to break this level. You see here itself trying to break this level. It should happen in the morning. Try to break this level 100 EMA line, and again it came back. Again now it is making some range. Downtrend happened. After that market will make some range also. We call consolidate also. Market creating some range here, creating some range until unless here also 200 EMI line is breaking, cannot plan for, should be breaking it. This will break and the line, okay, will break until unless you cannot plan for buying also. There is also some line The strong support level. See close to this one. Power candle, not any candle, not any candle. Power candle should be closing below. Then only you can plan for sell. Until unless you cannot see any power candle closing. Power candle is like, you see this is a one power candle. The body should be huge. Body should be huge. It should be small. That type of candles you can see in red color. You have to see in red color candle should be closing below this line. Then only you can plan for selling. Until unless you cannot plan for buying. You can see here only. Here itself you can see it is not happened. Well, if this happened then only you can plan for selling. Buying only. Now we have to wait until unless the 200 EMA line above closing should happen. Then only you can plan for buying. You can see this in 100 time frame. What happened here? 100 time frame is near to 200 EMA. Okay, we can think like market might come near to 200, but gap also happened on 25th October. The gap has happened, and now it is trying to fill. When it comes to gap, it doesn't like fill the gap, and okay, it is filled. Market will till unless market is filling this. You see, market now this is a strong resistance level, strong support level. This is the resistance level, and this strong support button. And the market is came this level until unless the market is standing here, here, here. They try to break this level also. If it is breaking this level, the target might take because this is the level near to this one. The level near to support level, but 200 EMA compulsory it will touch. Again, it might return. So it might take some slow movement. You see, RSI also it is falling down. If it is breaking this 40, maybe it might touch this target also. So ICICI is a perfect stock for selling purpose and plan for selling purpose. When you see any closing candle below this support level, okay, below this support level, if you see any closing candle, then plan for selling. The target will be here up to okay. We go with HCL Tech. It is near in the 1 day time frame. It is near to 200 EMA. So I am telling you, until unless market is can go for here also. Until unless the market is closing above this line, above this resistance line, cannot plan for buying. The market might come, still might come down. So you can see still might come down. It is having near 200 MLN. You can plan HCL Technologies near to 200 MLN. Tomorrow if the market is opening, if this has support line, and you go with 15 minutes time frame. This one. So already market has fallen in the morning session on expiry day. Already fallen and getting some market in the flat range market. So what we have to see is tomorrow itself the market is opening above this line. So this gap up is open, the market might slowly might go up. Until unless it is breaking this 200 EML, we cannot plan for anything. Or else if you plan like that also, you have to break this level. Have to see a 15 minutes candle closing above this level, some price action. Okay, with some price action. And see the here itself the candle in last minute also or 15 minutes candle it is showing like the gap up, gap down or anything have happened. Market target should be here. You can grab this much stuff. Might take 1 day, 2 days, but compulsory it will grab this level. Okay. And we'll go with TCS, one huge one. I am telling you, if you are doing any option selling or option buying, the perfect one also. That time frame is also near to this 200 EMA line. is also near to 200 EMA line, you can plan until the 200 EMA, no problem. You see here itself having some strong resistance line. In this day, candle broke this resistance line and came up to this level, and slowly the market is coming down again. Now again it acts as some support level, market taken some pullback. If it is breaking this support level, compulsory hit this 200 EMA line. After that the market might trend upside. Okay. So here itself to here for buying signal, the market is closing above this line until unless this might be your swing trade also. Plan for swing trade when you can plan. After touching this 200 EMA line, because you see it didn't touch anywhere, didn't touch anywhere. See on 29th June 2020 touched this level, and again till up to now 100 ml did. Now it is trying to touch. It is the right moment. If it is trying to touch, if you want to take any risk, you can take. It might touch this level. If touching this level means it might reverse huge. It's also having some gap. Slowly it might give some uptrend also after touching this line. Okay. So these are the stocks we'll be discussing now. If I have any other stocks, I will share in my like this video. Please subscribe, share my market analysis. If you do any profit, please share me in the comments.